For our dear state, I know a few things must have going on.
My Naija people don't begin to Bishop news story. My name Nandehi. Make a sharply yarn on a to say it just happened. The former presidential candidate will be Omoyele Sowore don come fire bad mouth to give President Bola Ahmed Tinubu as in the plan to carry 5 billion naira to go buy presidential nyash boat as they come add am for the 2023 supplementary budget wey they sent to National Assembly for approval on Monday, October 30th, 2023. As plenty Nigerians don come dey talk say upon all the suffering and hardship wey they face, say yet President Bola Ahmed Tinubu wan carry 5 billion naira to go buy presidential nyash boat. To say this one na pure wickedness. After where the Economic and Financial Crime Commission boss enter inside OAU wey be Obafemi Awolowo University for inside Ile-Ife, Osun State, as they come carry 70 students there for midnight. You don't know where say that they sleep for inside their hostel on Tuesday night around 1 a.m. November 1st, 2023. Now, so the OAU student union there can't carry plenty students there can't go do inaugural protest for front of the Economic and Financial Crime Commission office as a contact say they not go come out unless the EFCC go release their fellow students. The website they can't carry. Now, so the EFCC officers the website they carry gun can't stand for front of their office. We make some students they go do protest when they can't they use the officers them they play game they use that they do can't they play the game of I am not.
Hi guys, I'm not the shooter. I'm the shooter.
Hey!
I'm not the shooter. My shooter was back. The shooter has been life with money. Hey guys, there's the shooter.
But later, the Economic and Financial Crime Commission don't come release 58 students them out of the 70 they will be say they don't arrest them that night. And on Wednesday, November 1st, 2023, now they release them. The Economic and Financial Crime Commission chairman, wey name be Olukoyede, don come talk say make all EFCC officials say make they stop to dey operate for midnight and then yarn dey struggle through the EFCC head media and publicity where they post this thing on top their X handle on 1st of November 2023. As plenty Nigerians they don come dey happy say this one say e dey very okay say because the harassment the way EFCC dey harass young people them for midnight say e don too much. Federal government of Nigeria don come dey pay 35,000 naira to civil servants them as they add the 5,000 naira to the 30,000 naira minimum wage wey make am 35,000 naira just to help the effect of subsidy wey dey cause hardship and suffering for inside Nigeria. And na the civil servant them na they come out come yarn say they don receive the 35,000 naira wages. The president of Nigeria Labour Congress, wey im name be Joe Ajero, Ikolowa police be arrest am on Wednesday, 1st of November 2023 for inside Owerri, Imo State. During wey be say that they do inaugural protest for front of the NSC secretariat, say because the Imo State government not gree pay workers their money. Na so Ikolowa police call arrest and come give am beating wey make am take wunjure for im face. But later the NSC don come out to come give Ikolowa police order say if they not release am that yesterday on Wednesday will be November 1st, say they go shut down the whole Nigeria as they go striking. But later, Ikoloba police don't come out to come release them as they come see them on top this picture we make him face come swell up over because of the beating where they don't give them already.
Now say if you say extend interim order, as interim order elapsed with time. You know, if they had issued a fresh interim order, it's a different thing.
Yes.
You understand?
For on top of this video where plenty people Democratic Party governors them don't go meet with the FCT minister wey be Nyesom Wike because of the gbege wey dey happen with the governor of Rivers State wey be Sim Fubara as a contrary one can settle the gbege wey dey happen between two of them and na for inside FCT minister office wey be Nyesom Wike for Abuja na all of them come meet the yarn. The FCT minister wey name be Nyesom Wike don come beat him hand for chest come dey talk say nobody go fit intimidate and say if they like make they go carry Umila boys them say nothing go happen. And if you want impeach the Rivers State governor wey be Sim Fubara say he go do am and nothing go happen. And then yarn dey talk after the Rivers State faction of House of Assembly won't try to impeach the governor of Rivers State wey be Sim Fubara.
But let me tell everybody who cares, nobody can intimidate me. It doesn't matter whether you go and bring talks on the road. If I want to do something, I will do it.
But later, the governor of Rivers State wey be seen for Bara don come out on the yarn o, say nothing dey wrong wey be say dem no go fit amend o, so dem go try take solve the issue wey dey happen. Say because if papa and pikin dey get issue, say last say dem go try take settle am. And he yarn this talk for inside im office on November 1st, 2023 from inside Rivers State.
We're okay. There's no problem. If we have an internal issue, it will be resolved. And everything will go back to normal. There is nothing wrong if a father and a son has problem. If there is any problem, I will definitely resolve.
The Adamawa State Calabar Police Command don come arrest 75-year-old man wey name be Daniel Jaja, say because he tried to go first knack kpekus of 25-year-old girl for inside Mukumvi Honk local government area, and this gbege happen after wey the man invite the girl come in house. Na so he wan try take force the girl take knack kpekus, wey made the girl come carry razor take cut the man well for im gbola. Na so he call up police come later come arrest am, and this gbege happen on Tuesday, October 31st, 2023. Calabar police don come arrest plenty young girls dem for inside one hotel wey dey for Anambra State, and dem dey always dey force the young girls dem dey knack kpekus of different men, about 10 men every day, according to wetin the young girls dey talk on. And the young girls dey about 29 plus including 2 underage girls dem. And before Calabar police come arrest them from inside the hotel wey dey for Oba community in Idemili South local government area of Anambra State. Plenty fish market women they don't come fall out to go and do an ugly protest. As they come they do an ugly protest because the cost of fish don't too much away, and customers they know the fish come buy the fish again. Where they make the fish they don't buy already go come spoil. And on Wednesday, will be November 1st, 2023, 9 these women they fall out to come do this an ugly protest for Shagamu inside Ogun State. Nigerian police for inside Enugu State don come arrest 7 criminals there wey their work na to dey thief phones, laptop and handbags dem for that Holy Ghost bus stop area inside Enugu State. And on Tuesday, October 31st, 2023, na Calabar police arrest them. One story building wey dey for inside Igede town don come fall collapse on Tuesday, October 31st, 2023 as e come fall come press full family as 13-year-old girl one named Ifeoluwa come poof by, while Mr. Larry and wife and 2 of other children they don rush them. They go the General Adebayo Hospital as they come dey collect treatment for there, and this house fall collapse for inside Ekiti State. One lady wey be the owner of Lamori Grill and Catering don come dey thank one young man wey don become Moses wey carry her across one water as Red Sea. As she come dey talk, say she no even know this young man before. Say but the guy just dedicated to carry her for back take cross this water after wey heavy rain don fall for the area wey she dey pass. Say because the shoe wey she wear, she no fit carry am take cross the water.
Yes, now Bishop News O'Clock. My name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.